Sweet potatoes are delicious and nutritious root vegetables that offer many health benefits. Why you should eat more sweet potatoes? They support eye health as they contain anthocyanins that have a protective effect on the retina. They enhance brain function as they may improve memory and cognitive performance. They are rich in fiber, which supports gut health and regularity. They are high in vitamin A, which is essential for vision and immune function. They are a good source of vitamin C, which helps with wound healing and collagen synthesis. They contain manganese, which is involved in energy metabolism and antioxidant defense. They provide copper, which helps with iron absorption and red blood cell formation. They have pantothenic acid, which is needed for the synthesis of coenzyme A and fatty acids. They offer vitamin B6, which is important for protein metabolism and neurotransmitter synthesis. They supply potassium, which helps regulate blood pressure and fluid balance. They have niacin, which is involved in DNA repair and cholesterol synthesis. They are rich in antioxidants, which protect your cells from free radical damage and chronic disease.